Welcome to another episode of SaaS Companies Doing SaaS Things, where we explore the fine art of bait and switch pricing models. So picture this. You're a developer, living your best life, coding away with your shiny new Cursor subscription. You paid for unlimited access to Claude models, ChatGPT integration, the whole 9 yards. Life is good. Your code is flowing like a beautiful waterfall of semicolons and brackets. And then bam! You get hit with a usage limit notification faster than a junior developer breaks production on their first day. The internet collectively lost its mind when users started getting alerts saying they'd reached their limit on their unlimited plan. It's like ordering an all-you-can-eat buffet and being told you can only have 3 shrimp. The math simply doesn't add up, and neither does Cursor's explanation. Here's where it gets spicy. The company initially marketed their Pro plan as having unlimited requests to AI agents. But faster than you could say venture capital pressure, they quietly changed the wording to extended limits on agents. It's the software equivalent of editing your dating profile after you've already gone on the date. Not cool, Cursor. Not cool. The timing couldn't be more suspicious either. Just 12 days after announcing their spectacular new pricing model, they pulled this switcheroo. That's barely enough time for a sprint retrospective, let alone a genuine pricing strategy reconsideration. It's almost like they knew this was coming all along. What really happened here is classic startup economics 101. These companies burn through investor money faster than a React developer burns through NPM packages. They offer unsustainable pricing to grab market share, then once they've got you hooked like a caffeine-addicted programmer at 3 a.m., they jack up the prices or cut the features. It's the digital equivalent of drug dealing, but with more TypeScript and fewer legal consequences. The Reddit community went absolutely nuclear over this. Users were reporting bills of over 150 for unexpected usage, and the moderators were allegedly deleting complaint posts faster than GitHub deletes your commits when you force push to main. The whole subreddit turned into a digital riot, with developers sharing screenshots of their surprise bills like trading cards of corporate betrayal. But here's the kicker. Cursor's official response came at 6 a.m. on a weekday. 6 in the morning, that's prime, hoping nobody notices ours. It's like announcing a data breach during the Super Bowl halftime show. They basically said, oops, we didn't explain this clearly enough, while simultaneously charging people hundreds of dollars for their misunderstanding. The company claims they're refunding affected customers, but here's the catch. You have to email them manually to get your money back. It's like making you fill out a form to get a refund for a product that was literally mislabeled. If you genuinely made a mistake, wouldn't you automatically reverse all the charges? It's giving, we hope you forget about this energy. What's particularly insulting is how they frame this whole debacle. Instead of admitting they changed their pricing model, they're claiming users just misunderstood the original terms. It's gaslighting with a side of terms of service. They went from 500 API requests down to 225 and called it an improvement. That's like cutting someone's salary in half and calling it a compensation optimization. The real tragedy here is that this was completely predictable. Any developer worth their salt in business economics knew these pricing models were unsustainable. $20 a month for unlimited access to premium AI models? That's like Netflix charging $5 for unlimited 4K streaming. The math never added up, and everyone knew it. This isn't just a Cursor problem either. GitHub Copilot at $10 a month? Also probably losing money on every user. WindSurf, V0, and basically every AI coding assistant on the market are playing the same game. They're all burning investor cash to build user bases, hoping to figure out profitability later. It's the fake it till you make it approach to business, except they're faking sustainable pricing models. The funniest part is that GitHub Copilot is now looking like the responsible adult in the room. $10 a month, and they're not pulling any pricing shenanigans. They're probably sitting there like, told you so, while eating their reasonably priced lunch. What's really happening here is that running AI models is expensive, like really expensive. Claude Sonnet costs significantly more than GPT-4 to run, which is why Cursor was probably secretly hoping you'd use the cheaper models. But developers aren't stupid. They know which models work best for their code, and they're going to use them. The future of AI coding tools is pretty clear. Prices are going up, features are getting tiered, and the honeymoon period of unlimited everything is over. These companies are going to start building their own models to cut costs, hiring talent away from the big AI companies, and generally doing whatever it takes to make their unit economics work. So here's my advice. If you're using any of these AI coding tools, check your billing settings right now. Turn off automatic payments for overages, read the fine print, and maybe, just maybe, don't trust marketing promises that sound too good to be true. Because in the world of SaaS pricing, if it sounds too good to be true, it's probably about to get a lot more expensive. The moral of the story? In the attention economy, your attention is the product. But in the SaaS economy, you're the product and the customer. And sometimes, you're also the one getting played, where nothing is unlimited except the creativity of pricing teams. So if you like this video, subscribe. I am going to bring more news and tools to the channels these days. Very important tools.